You know, the question, of course, Chirag, as I said, is that there is a feeling that Chirag Paswan is punching above his weight. कि पार्टी में इतना दम नहीं है, लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी में इतने सीटें लड़ने के लिए. The only time when you have contested on your own and done reasonably well was in 2005. So there is a belief that the BJP is financing you also in this election, and your sole aim is to be what is called in Bihar vote katwa, to cut the votes of the Janata Dal United, defeat them, have a hung assembly, and then support the BJP. Is this true, that you are financially being supported by the BJP to get a few seats, enough to to ensure that BJP is party number one in Bihar?
Rajdeep ji, please give me my due. I request you to do so. You have known my father for a very long time, and my party is almost 20 years old now. Do you really think that a party of 20 years, and you know, we have contested 3 and this is our 4th Vidhan Sabha elections, and we have contested 4 Lok Sabha elections, jisme se ki twice we've been very consistent. Last time also we won 6 out of 7. This time we won 6 out of 6 MP seats. Do you really think that we are not capable enough? And if we are not, let's leave it to the people, ना. जनता की बुद्धि विवेक को क्यों हम लोग चुनौती दे रहे हैं? Why are we questioning their intelligence? Let me be there in front of them. और पापा हमेशा कहते थे कि अकेले निकलो, शेर के बच्चे होगे तो जंगल चीर के बाहर आओगे, और अगर गीदड़ होगे तो वहीं पे मारे जाओगे. तो लेट मी सी ना, मैं अपने आप को खुद टटोल के देखता हूँ ना, कि शेर का बच्चा हूँ तो चीर के बाहर निकलूंगा, नहीं दम खम होगा तो यहीं पे दम तोड़ दूंगा.
So, you didn't answer my question. Is the BJP financially supporting you in this election? Is the Lok Jan Shakti party being financially supported by the BJP, which is why so many former BJP so many BJP candidates are contesting on Lok Jan Shakti party?
No, not even a penny that is being supported by Bharatiya Janata Party. And I thank all my candidates that they are pulling in, and they are helping. No fund at all. And I say this with complete authority as the national president of Lok Jan Shakti Party, not even a single penny.
Let me ask you in conclusion, was Ram Vilas Paswan ji also keen that you break out on your own in this manner by targeting Nitish Kumar? Would he have been happy to see this? Do you believe you are following the ideals of your father in the way you are going about this election? Are you seeking votes in the name of Ram Vilas Paswan? Is that how are you hoping for sympathy in the name of Paswan ji in this election?
Well, hoping for sympathy is, I think it's a very strong statement that you have said, Rajdeep ji. I am not hoping, and I don't wish and hope such a sympathy for anyone else. Losing a father, it's not easy, and especially a time like this when I needed him the most. So yes, I mean, I never hope anyone to get such kind of a sympathy in any situation. Having said that, yes, yes, my father has worked actively in politics for past 51 years, and a spotless career he had. So definitely yes, I have someone like him. उनका नाम है मेरे साथ, जिसके साथ मैं जनता के बीच में जाऊंगा, और यस, हाँ, उनके नाम के साथ हूँ. हाँ, जहाँ तक आपने पूछा कि will he be happy, अलाउ मी टू कोट हिम. जब वो हॉस्पिटल में थे और आईसीयू में थे, तो एक शाम मेरी उनसे इन्हीं सब चीज़ों को लेकर बात हो रही थी, और उस वक्त उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि अगर आज तुम नीतीश कुमार जी के साथ अगर तुम जाते हो, तो आज से 5 साल, 10 साल के बाद, 15 साल के बाद तुम अपने आप को कभी नहीं माफ़ कर पाओगे कि तुम्हारी वजह से बिहार 5 साल और पीछे चला गया. आज तुम्हारे पास मौका है एक नेतृत्व बदलाव का. आज तुम्हारे पास मौका है अपनी सोच, अपने विचारों को, अपनी आइडियोलॉजी को, बिहार फर्स्ट, बिहारी फर्स्ट विजन को सामने लाने का. पर आज अगर तुमने फिर कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर लिया और तुम नीतीश कुमार जी के साथ चले गए, तो तुम अपने आप को आने वाले सालों में कभी माफ़ नहीं कर पाओगे. दीज वर हिज स्टेटमेंट, एंड आई से दिस ऑन रिकॉर्ड कि उन्होंने ये बातें सिर्फ मुझसे ही नहीं, उस दौरान जितने लोग उनसे मिले, कई भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सीनियर लीडर्स भी उनसे उस दौरान मिले, और उनको भी उन्होंने इतने ही स्पष्ट तौर पर ये सारी बातें उन्होंने कही.